Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Just want to show you some of the bars that are open. It's a little bit quiet without the Brits. Meaning volume there. You can always tell when the Brits are around. Get a bit loud. Hey Marcus.
Especially with matter about Benidorm training, it's always loud.
Yeah.
Even snores loud from what I've been
How
told.
do you know?
Just a secret rumour I've heard.
Keeps the bears away though, Marcus.
I keeps the women at Anna's away as well.
About 90-95% of the bars are open now. Walking along. The odd one or two, I think they may be up for lease or rent. Just going to have a look, see if the saloon's open. A little bit worried about that. It did open a couple of weeks ago. I don't think they were getting anybody in. I think I may have shut up and decided to leave it a bit longer. You get on the green list. We get on the green list in the UK. There's a lot of Brits going there, is it Marcus?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely shut up at the moment. I think it might be because they didn't open as soon as they could. I don't know. I'm sure they'll be back though. Zooming up and zooming down here, Marcus. You see most things are open though. Sky Beach. So I got the football on up there, I don't know if I got any entertainment on. Yeah, got some music going of some kind. I know exactly where we're going tonight. We're going to do the front on the way up and maybe the back streets on the way back. Find something interesting to have a look at. So we keep talking now because we're just going past Sky Beach, K Beach, whichever one you want to call it. It's got music on, I think.
Got
Yeah.
a DJ on.
Got a DJ on. So, there you go. Still there, guys. So it's changed from its original name, but the bar's doubled in size, is it, Marcus?
That's just inside and up, just the year 9.
Yeah. Then we got deck chairs, as I call it. It always makes you smile this bar when you go past.
Not a cheap, but about.
There we go. We might be on somebody else's channel as well. Yeah, when they first done that, it just looked like one of those beach up bars you get in the UK, down at the seaside.
Takes you back to its childhood, does it?
My childhood, yeah.
Yeah, that's well. Days of eating fish and chips and the wine under the bus stop.
Used to be sunny when I was young, mate.
Not me now. We are talking about England here, mate.
Well, Wales. Yeah. Yeah, it was Wales most of the time for holidays in them days.
Real. We have
Lights. Judge yourself now, guys. How much is open? That's how we're going to try and do the videos this week, I think. Having it open and trying to walk around and show you. I know a lot of you guys thinking whether it's worth coming over or not. I think if you like out night clubbing every night, probably might be worth waiting a bit with the square being out and whatnot. If you like just going out and getting drunk, there's plenty of bars to do that in. We were hearing something about Morgan's the other day, and that was going to reopen. You remember when, Marcus?
not too sure, but they are
See
definitely.
if your mum can remember. That'll be good news if that reopens. Mark has just gone to check, see if he knows. If Sue knows, rather.
She ain't too sure when it's reopen either. So.
No, I think it might be next, really, August, I think.
Yeah, I think it might be right.
So we're going to have a look at that. As soon as it reopens, we'll let you know. So as soon as we know it's reopened. Anybody watch the football tonight? Did Spain get through? Does it mean the match is on now? Think we can get through tomorrow? Spain, England, that should be a good match.
That actually will be quite hot.
Yeah.
But who will support in that match?
Well, I'll be on Spain's side.
Spain or England?
I think they're better than England.
Good.
Certainly scoring more goals. Ten goals in 2 games now.
Spain win the Euros.
Oh, they got it.
That's my outcome.
They've got to bump into Italy first, haven't they?
I'll take it to the any time.
France is still in it. Let's see who wins tomorrow night. Right, guys. Like and subscribe as normal. Subscribe. Leave us a comment to let you know that I've subscribed. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.